All right. Hi, crew. It is Sunday night, and so I'm getting this ready for you for Monday. So hopefully you guys had a great weekend, and I miss you guys, and I'm hoping that maybe um I'll be feeling good enough to come in a little come back maybe earlier than I was expecting. Um I got up and got moving around a little bit today, but then I pushed myself a little too hard, so now I'm paying for it. So, um hopefully we'll see how tomorrow goes. So pretty much you guys are rocking it. I looked, I saw mainly second period you didn't post a whole lot of comments about your progress. um and I'm assuming that you did that because Joy had posted that you were having a hard time finding a way to upload the picture. It seems like my second period figure or my third period class figured out how to do that, and it looks like Skylar did. So maybe talk with those people and see if maybe they can help you. Just because I want to be able to see what you're doing, not because I don't trust that you're doing something, but mainly because I just want to be able to see. Because, I miss you guys. So, you're just going to keep working today. And if you're working or you need to soak something, you can feel free to be working also on your paper or in your presentations. If you haven't got a lot of pictures, that it might be a good time for you to stage some pictures for your presentations. Um, and then I also did post the vocabulary up there on that wall, and you may want to look through that vocabulary to help you start studying for the test. Also, because I feel like we're just moving here. We got one more project left, and it's almost the end of the year. So, hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Hopefully you guys have a good day today, and just, I guess, um, I'll upload with this video that assignment and see if you can, maybe if I upload it as an assignment, then you can like attach it like you attach an assignment. I don't know. So we'll just give it a try and play by ear. All right. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Bye.